Hello?
Hi there. How can I assist you today with your Pure Glow skincare order?
Okay, I want to know, just tell me a little bit about the business.
Pure Glow Skincare is dedicated to providing high-quality skincare products to enhance and maintain the beauty of your skin. Our range includes various products like cleansers, moisturizers, serums, and
Okay,
treatments designed to cater to different skin types and concerns. If you have any
okay.
specific questions or need assistance with
Yeah,
your order, feel free to ask.
So I placed an order and I want to get some details about my order.
Could you share your order number with me? I'll check your order status and provide the details you're looking for.
Okay, 1001.
Please provide your order number. Your order number 1001 is currently in processing status. The
Okay,
payment has been successfully made, and the shipping status indicates that it's being processed. You have a tracking number, UPS 1234568789, but it seems it hasn't been fully updated yet.
okay,
If you have more questions or need further assistance,
okay. I want
if
to
you have
ask,
any
I
further
want,
questions
I want to
or
request
need
for you,
assistance,
I want to request for a refund.
could you please? I understand you need to speak with someone from our team. I'm escalating your request now, and a member of our customer care department will reach out to you soon.
Okay. So that's a simple demonstration of an AI voice agent we built for an e-commerce brand. For the sake of this video, the e-commerce brand's name is Pure Glow Skincare. Their challenge was basically with clients that want to place orders or are just visiting the website for the first time. So they want to get to know a bit about the brand and all that. So they usually get a lot of calls. Then for the ones that have placed orders, sometimes they want to cancel their order. Sometimes they want to get status updates on their order. While they usually get emails and they can also track it from the website, sometimes customers always want to call in, right? So that's basically what this voice AI agent was going to be helping them handle. For things like refund, a human being has to be in the loop, right? Because there can be a lot of nuance to that, right? So we have to also ensure that the agent can seamlessly get a human being to speak with the customer at that instant, right? But the main thing is the majority of the calls are handled by the agent. So for this project, we used two tools, Vapi and n8n. Okay, so basically what Vapi is doing for us is it handles the whole voice orchestration. It provides us with natural speech and latency. It's a very robust system. It has opportunities for us to train the bot on the business's information and attach a couple of tools so that it's able to get details of an order, right, from the database. It's also able to escalate and dial a human being's number, right, and add the person to the call, right. It also does that for us. Then for the database, we use Airtable, but it's not a very principal part of this whole system. But at least I'm going to show the data on the database, right? So let's get into Vapi and n8n so I can show you what we did. Okay, so for Vapi, it's very straightforward to build a voice AI agent, although where some technicalities come into it is when you need to attach some tools and all the rest of them. Okay, so basically, first of all, we want to configure our model, right? And we use OpenAI, of course. GPT-4, very solid stuff. Then there are some kind of settings like assistant speaks first message. Then this is where we actually put in some details about how we train the AI agent to respond and others. We configure the temperature, max number of tokens. So to the tool section. So this is where we attached the call transfer tool. This basically handles the escalation to a human agent. Then the check order status. This check order status gathers everything from like order status, product name, tracking number, all those things. And we can also add some more tools to this agent. if there are some other things we need it to do for us. For the tools, okay, so this is the call transfer tool. This is the phone number that it tries to dial. That was the phone number that was shown on my phone, right? That dials when it wants to add a human assistant to the call, right? So that's basically it. Some training. Then we have the check order status. Now this basically works with a webhook. Yeah, that's, as I said, some technicality. So it requests details from n8n, gets those details, right? Then analyzes it and responds based on the data it gets from n8n. So let me show you details we got from n8n. So on n8n, okay, this is the n8n setup, right? And it's just very simple. Webhook. It always comes with the order number, which it usually asks for. So it passes it through we get it through the webhook. Then it searches our database on Airtable, then processes the response and sends back to the agent. So let me open up the Airtable database. Okay, so this is the customer name, number, order date, payment status, shipping status, tracking number, and all that. So basically uses this n8n process to connect with Airtable and retrieve data from Airtable. We can also get it to update data on Airtable. Right now, this agent can handle over 70% of the kind of inquiries and support they provide to their customers and their prospects. At Pacta Technologies, what we actually try to do is we work with businesses to architect AI systems that are tailored to the challenges of their business and the ones that will give them the highest return on investment. There's no need automating something just to look cool when there's something that is stopping the business from scaling or causing some drags and all that in the business. If you're a SaaS leader or business owner and you want to move away from the whole AI hype and you want to implement AI systems that will actually move your business forward, then we need to talk. We evaluate your business, we spot these opportunities that AI and automation can help with. Then we architect these systems, custom and tailored to your business, so that at the end of the day, you're not just hearing what AI can do, you're actually seeing the effects and the profits of using AI properly in your business. If you love this kind of content and you want to continue seeing how AI is affecting other businesses positively and also learning how to apply them in your own business, do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel. You can also share with a business owner or friend that you think is going to be useful too. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.